Go get inside, dummy. Quit walking around in the water. Thank goodness we put in this mulch on Saturday. This would be even worse out here. You can see where the water, we still have water standing though. And the chicks, the baby chicks, most of them are up inside the coop, but some of the little dummies are still out in the rain trying to swim practically. Yes, yes. Go up inside if you don't want to be out in the rain wet, silly. But yeah, this is the mulch we put in here is all tall and dry and nice. And of course, wherever we've dug out holes and stuff like that, you can still see water standing. And then you can see me splash through here. You can see where there's water standing here. These garden beds, if they weren't raised like that, would be underwater right now. Oof. This is still raised, but this is my footpath area here. And then back over here to the new garden, which is deep. There's a lot of water in the yard, of course. This is the area that we remulched Saturday. So you can see already the water standing. That was just mulched Saturday. Look at that. This is how water stands back here. This is my first big rain event in this new garden. This is if you're able to go out in the areas you're growing or planning on growing, it's really important that you do that right now so that you can see what the rain event's going to look like in your garden spaces and how you're going to handle them for the future. My stuff back there in the back probably won't make it. All things considered, this back area hasn't been good to begin with, and I can't expect standing in this kind of water is going to be helpful to it. Looks like the stuff will do okay over here. I'm not certain about this section over here. That stuff looked like it's pretty good and up off the ground. That's good. I've got stuff back there in the back that's probably going to be drowning now. Completely drowned. Maybe. I don't know. I've done a decent job of raising it up. It may be okay once this starts to recede. But the other side of this that's good is that a lot of this water will stay in here in a good amount once the excess drains off, because it'll stay in this mulch, and this mulch will keep moisture in here. So if we go for a long time without water, that will help. So let me see what's going on back here. Nice heavy mulch over here. And then the coop on this back side, that's pretty raised up. Looks pretty good over there. All right, after all the talk about weather and rain and mulch and standing water and all of those things, I figured I should at least give you guys a peek into what it was looking like out here.